Hi! In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System. Now tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Finally, you can click on Theme section, scroll all the way down and select Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you can see all available themes. When you finished, click on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And tap on Apply button. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. But if you want to customize it, you can always do that by accessing the same settings. This time though, you need to swipe up and click on this plus icon under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then tap on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and hit Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!